Hi everyone, I am your TECH.REHAAN. Today we'll discuss about how to calculate the EMI every month installment. Guys, let's say I am purchasing house of worth 50 lakhs. For that I am doing the down payment of 5 lakhs. Rest of the amount I am taking a loan of 45 lakhs. The term for the loan is 15 years. I will pay the EMIs 12 per year. So total EMIs will be 15 into 12 equal to 180 and the interest per month is 0.35%. It will be 4% per annum. I have this table. Now I need to calculate the EMI, total amount and the interest amount. So to calculate the EMI, we have equal to PMT, open the bracket, rate of interest, comma, then total EMIs, comma, minus of loan amount, close the bracket. So this is the EMI. Now to calculate the amount, we have equal to EMI into the total EMIs. This is the total amount. Now to calculate the interest, equal to the total amount minus the loan. So this is the EMI, total amount and the interest. So this is the way to calculate the EMI. Please like and follow my page to get updates every day. Don't be lazy, be busy. Thank you friends. We'll meet in the next video.